Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB split mechanical keyboard. Jill Coates here. I stream open source Rails development and programming adjacent games on Twitch, and when companies send me free things, I'll open it in a video. Today we can thank Kinesis for sending me a free keyboard to review. This is a 75% split mechanical keyboard. So this is $219 before tax and shipping and handling. This is normally purchasable at the Kinesis gaming store, but the store is currently closed due to COVID-19. It's available internationally on Amazon, I checked this, and currently it's cheaper than retail at $200 USD. However, it does not support a European layout. Links to both stores are in the description. We did some research and the reviews are overall positive, but a few folks online were upset that this keyboard does not include a USB hub, and they had some trouble with the B and Y keys because they're not duplicated. It works out of the box with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome. There's an ancillary SmartSet app that can be used for additional configuration. Using the SmartSet app, you can set the color and effect of each key, as well as remapping and setting up new macros. There's also a way to set macros and remaps on the keyboard, but we'll get to that later. As mentioned before, this is a mechanical keyboard. It comes with Cherry MX switches in red, blue, and brown. The brown is my favorite because I like how it has that nice tactile feel without the real clickiness of the blues. Most people buy a split keyboard like this for the ergonomics, and if you like the ergonomics, you're probably going to like the lift kit. The lift kit is going to set you back $25, but it has 3 different elevated heights, making a total of 4 possible heights you could set this keyboard to. There's 8 programmable keys and 3 different profiles, so you can store up to 24 macros. You can configure these on the keyboard itself, but it's going to be a lot easier and you're going to have more fine-tuned control if you do it through the SmartSet desktop application. If you want to set a macro on the keyboard, you hit macro, you hit the key that you want to set the macro to, you type in your macro, and then you hit macro again. You can have up to 250 actions per second in a macro. If you'd like to remap a key, you hit remap, then you hit the key value you want, and then the key you want to remap. So I've been using this keyboard for about a week, and I really like how it feels. I love these wrist guards. So these wrist guards are so soft and so cushy. This isn't advice that Kinesis would approve of, and it's not advice that your doctor would approve of, but one of the things that I've been doing is I take a little bit of essential oils and I rub them onto these pads, and then every time I type, it smells like cinnamon, and it is the greatest. The other thing that I like is something that I can't really show you in the video, but what I do is I take these two and I just separate them all the way out, and then I can take my shoulders, I can spread them out, and I feel like I can breathe so much better. And like the ergonomics of this are really nice. Like I didn't realize it before, but when these two are put together, like my shoulders curl inwards and I lean over as I type, and I just end up coming closer and closer to the screen, but with them all spread out, I can breathe and everything's nice and lovely. And it's a pretty little keyboard and it's got great cushions and I like it. Thank you all for watching, and thank you so much, Kinesis, for sending me this keyboard to review. I want to add a couple of extra thanks. I want to thank my 2 videographers, Ken and Sunira. I want to thank my editor, Megan, for helping me make this video possible and making it a success. All right, well, like, subscribe, bell, links in the description. Y'all are smart. You know what to do. Bye!